With the Mixtrack series, the Pro version is the one you want that has audio. If you don't buy a Pro version and you think you're saving a few quid by buying just a Mixtrack rather than a Mixtrack Pro, you are going to need an external sound card, which is going to put more processor weight on your computer, give you extra cables, and save you no money or time in the long run. Talking about price, the Mixtracks are currently retailing at £159. To upgrade that to full Serato DJ software costs another £80, but most shops will do you a deal where when you buy the Mixtrack, they'll give you a code, meaning that £200 actually gets you the full DJ software. These nearly always get shipped with the intro software. It's fine, there's no problems with it, but you don't get the ability to record internally, and you don't get the ability to have all the sound effects. Flip side, the more professional full software does require a little bit more processor and RAM. Obviously there are other units available, manufacturers such as Pioneer, Denon, Gemini, Reloop. There's heaps out there. We know and trust Newmark. They're the best all-rounder for beginners up to intermediates. Pioneer are obviously huge players in the industry. Roland are starting down that path. As we say, it's September 2016. We do not know who will be shipping the best value unit by January 2017.